guys, it's your girl Jules here today, and today we're gonna do a updated brow tutorial because I haven't done my I have done my brows differently. I did a brow tutorial a couple of years ago, so it is time for a brand new brow tutorial because I did change a little bit of my technique and change a lot, and I'm gonna tell you how I do it with what products, and some of the products are very cheap you can find, but yeah, I'm just gonna show you the products and everything and then show you how I do my brows. So yeah, let's continue with this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, do all that because it does help me in the process. And yeah, let's get started. So the first product that I've been using for my brows is basically the Brow Silk Kit from Iconic London. I am in love with it, and I love the structure and how it is like gold. It comes with the it looks like a toothbrush, but it comes with the little brush, and ooh, it fell. Comes with the little toothbrush, and it literally comes with the balm for your brows. Now typically sometimes when I don't want to do my brows, I literally just grab this and just point them up like bushy type of shit. So this is it. This is the Brow Silk. The next thing that I have to do my brows is literally this Anastasia Beverly Hills 2 dual brush. You can get this from any CVS, any beauty supply store for like $1. So, but I've been using this one because I do like using the little scoopy thing, and I do like to structure a little bit with the little angle brush on top. And then the other product I've been using is the only product for the tinted brows that I only been using because I don't need anything. It's basically the Brow Contour Pro, and it's from Benefits. It's like a pencil, like the pen that we used to have that had like different colors and stuff. So this has the different color of brows. It has the highlighter, it has the brow pencil. So I've been using the light brown, and I've been using the dark definer one. So this is good. And to do my brows, I only gotta carry this for the color, and I had to carry a lot of brow stuff the last time, like a brow tinted scoopy brush and everything, but now I just carry this with me and just call it a day. But now I just added the Brow Silk, which is good for setting my brows. I did use the ColourPop one, but it had like this white residue, but it was really good. I think they do have the clear one. I just got that one by mistake. And then I get my beauty blender. Any beauty blender that you like, you can get it. There's like ones that are $1 in a pack. So, but got a beauty blender, and it has to be a little bit mildly wet. Not like wet, but like, I hate using the word moist, but wet, just a little bit. So what I like to do with the brows, I'm blind as hell, so I have a mirror right over here, and what I like to do with the brows is literally like shape it. So what I do is go up slightly, just lightly, because sometimes you can go overboard, and then just shape it, and with the areas that are lighter, I just shape it. I literally got the light color, so I just literally shape it, and I shape it. See, like there's patches, sometimes there's patches, you know, that's your eyebrow, and I literally do this, go lightly, and then with the little scoopy I literally just do this right here. See how it already has a little bit of tint with just a little bit, and it makes it natural. It doesn't make it pop, as you can tell. See, it looks like it's not too intense, but it's a little bit more darker shape than your regular one, and it's not too out there, pop in your face. Like, I did have pomade. I love the pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. No, I have no bad words for it, but it did make my brow look a little bit like, boom, out there, you have fake brows. While this is like a little bit subtle, nice, calm, looks like your regular brow but is not your regular brow. And then on the bottom, I literally just do that little shape right there, and with the spoolie I literally go like this. Just keep brushing it upwards, brushing it upwards. See, and it looks lighter here, so what I do is go right here. Like I said, don't dab like this hard, just slow strokes. See, that you can't see it, but I can, like literally slow strokes, not too hard, and literally just go slowly upwards, and then do the little 3 hairs in the front. And then after that, that's when I go back and do this. With this brush, I can literally just shape it and everything. And I do have a little bald spot right here because I literally, something happened to me when I was little, but that will be for another story time. And I just, like, you know, try to get it to be a little bit. See, like, you can't see that shit. You can't see it. So then I will go to the concealer part and literally just go on the bottom. Don't do this because I've seen a lot of people do this and then expect it to look clean. Just don't smile. Be like serious and like in your mirror, and then under it, all you gotta do is follow the line under your brow, and there you go. If you do want to check it, what I do is I see from right here where my nose is, I see where it starts, and then that's where I go. So it could be a little bit easier. And then you use this right here and you blend the bottom part, literally the bottom part, and it's so blendable. You really don't have to be using too much stuff to clean it. It's really, it doesn't get like too thick. And you see, you got a clean brow. Now we're gonna use the brow silk, which I'm fucking in love with it. And you can go back and forth with your brows. Like, you can literally go back and forth, like go with this and then this. I already know like what I'm like with my brows. So see right here, like I said, I do not like intensifying stuff, but I like, see, it's clean and shit, so I use this. So just a reminder, this is very hard. You have to do this, but once it's on your brows, it's literally silk. It melts in your skin. It's not toxic. I like this very much. So what I do is just move it around and then on my brush, and then what I do is I go up. Literally, I just go up. See how it makes a freaking difference? Literally, I'll just go up. I like my brows to be up, to be a little bit like a bushy like, and then here I'll just go like that. And that's when I sometimes notice that I do have to get a little bit of a tail to my brow to look a little bit more poppin'. So that's what I do, and then I will go back with a brush and then brush this right here. See? As you can tell the difference, the brow, it looks just a little tiny more advanced, not too, that I can tell that you did your tattoo brows and your macro bladed brows. It looks natural. It takes literally about less than 5 minutes. I already know the technique. I kind of like my brows the way they are right now. I do like, well, I just did my brows myself because I do my own brows, but I do like them when they're like big and bushy. Love them. Don't know why. A lot of people think it's too big for my face, but I don't give a fuck. So yeah, basically this is how it looks like, and I'm gonna do it up close. Anybody can do it the way they want to, you know, your preference, but this is the way I've been doing it lately. And yeah, like I said, it takes only 5 minutes. So yeah, this is how it looks. It looks yeah, I really love like the bushy feeling of the brows. I love that feeling. See how this is the real brush, the real brow, and this is the one that I just did. But yeah, these how they look, and these is how, you know, I do my brows. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if I was a little bit down on energy, I am freaking sick. I literally just got sick a couple of days ago, and I've been having fevers on and off, and I've been sick and just weak and shit. So yeah, I am so sorry if my energy is very not here right now. It's just I am sick, and it's not even that freaking cold yet. Literally, it's really not. Like, I literally went to the doctor and they told me to get a flu shot, and I was like no, because I know something was popping up, and I got sick. I literally got freaking sick. So yeah, I'm sorry if I'm so like low of energy, but I'll be back with more energy very soon for you guys. Oh, I'm trying too much. But I'll be back with more energy for you guys soon. Well, Saturday there's gonna be another video, so yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, do all that things, because it does help me, and it is for free. Like, everything you do by clicking a button on YouTube is free, and if I want to say it, it's gratis. You guys learned a new word in Spanish. Gratis means free. So yeah, click that link below, and don't forget to also follow me on Instagram and Twitter and all that shit, because I like talking to you guys. Yeah, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh my, if you haven't met my little friend, yeah, he needs to disappear soon. But yeah guys, I see you next time. Deuces.